Watch and enjoy the videos of Skibedadoobie TV.
Summary of Portfolio Optimization and Genetic Algorithms by Félix Roudier. This master's thesis explores the challenges of portfolio optimization, particularly focusing on the limitations of the traditional mean-variance (MV) approach and proposing the use of genetic algorithms (GAs) as a more robust alternative. Key points: mean-variance limitations. While the MV approach is popular and easy to understand, it suffers from several drawbacks, including concentration. MV portfolios tend to be heavily concentrated in a few assets with high expected returns, neglecting diversification benefits. Instability. Small changes in input data can lead to significant portfolio shifts, incurring high transaction costs and negating potential gains. Sensitivity to errors. The method is highly sensitive to estimation errors in expected returns and covariances, leading to unreliable results. Genetic algorithms. GAs offer a flexible and robust approach to portfolio optimization, allowing for multi-factor objective functions. GA optimization can incorporate various factors beyond mean and variance, such as risk measures like drawdown, transaction costs, and diversification metrics. Handling complex functions, GAs can effectively navigate search spaces with multiple local optima and non-convexities, unlike traditional optimization methods. Testing and results. The thesis compares various portfolio optimization strategies, including MV, minimum variance, minimum semi-variance, higher-order moments, and multi-factor functions optimized with GAs. Surprisingly, the simple, equally weighted portfolio outperforms all other strategies in terms of Sharpe ratio across different market periods. The multi-factor functions with GAs show potential, but their performance depends heavily on the chosen parameter values and require further investigation. Challenges and future directions. Estimation, accuracy. The success of any optimization method relies heavily on the accuracy of input parameters. Further research is needed to develop more robust estimators for expected returns and covariances. Model complexity. Balancing. Model complexity with real-world applicability is crucial. While complex models might offer theoretical advantages, their interpretability and practical implementation can be challenging. Genetic algorithm refinement. Exploring different selection and mutation strategies within the GA framework could further improve portfolio diversification and robustness. Overall, this thesis highlights the need to move beyond the traditional MV approach and explore alternative methods like GAs for more robust and dynamic portfolio optimization. It also emphasizes the importance of considering estimation uncertainty and model complexity when developing and applying portfolio optimization strategies.